Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
Our next step is to glue the centering ring into the back of the S4B stage. On your card sheet 35238, it's the middle centering ring. If you have one of the older ones, it has two centering rings of identical size that don't have the notches on the end. Either one will work in that case. But we just want one that will fit inside the tube like this. And we want to mark where that's going to be located in the tube. And it's 5/8 of an inch back from the edge. So I'm just going to stick my ruler inside and then mark it at 5/8 inches. And I'm going to do that multiple times around the perimeter. And then we're going to put the ring inside, and I want to squeeze it so that it doesn't move, and then draw a line all the way around. And this is going to be where I'm going to put my glue. Okay. I'm going to adjust that line just to show. Okay, and then I'm going to set this aside to dry. On the sheet 35238, we have two rings that are identical size. One has notches in it, one doesn't. As I was just explaining, the old versions had two rings that didn't have notches. So if your ring doesn't have notches, we're just going to cut them in. It's fine. It's going to work. Don't panic. You don't need a new ring. This is just for the shock cord so that it has room to pass through. So basically, just draw a quick line across it. And then on the ends, just cut a little notch, just big enough for the shock cord to fit through, so it doesn't have to be big. We just went back to the ring and laser cut those notches in just to save you a little bit of time. Okay, just like that. Then you want to take the thick shock cord, and you want to take the ends and tie them together. And try to get the knot as close to the ends as you can, and then pull tight. And then this, we're going to make a loop right here, like that, and we're going to go around the ring like that, and we're going to glue it to the ring. Just make the loop big enough so that it clears the hole just fine. And we're going to glue it so that the ends of the shock cord come out at those notches that you just cut. So what I do is I just do a line like this and then just go around the outside of the hole. And once you have glue on there, it kind of sticks down. So let this get tacky. Let this dry just a little bit, and then come and put glue on top of this to make sure that it's not going to move on you. And then if you did it right, the shock cord will come through those little notches like that, and it's going to get glued into the tube. This side is going to be inside the tube. This side is going to be facing the outside, so that when you pull on these, if anything moved, it would just cinch down and grab the tube, and it won't pull out. So this is a good way to anchor your shock cord. So go ahead and do that, and then let it dry.